So we have covered how to have the right mindset and how to have the right skill while you are on the job hunt. In this particular video, we will be talking about how to build a portfolio, because let's be honest, no matter how great your resume is, no matter where you go in life, no matter where exactly you apply, nobody is going to trust you unless you show them some proven setup skill. And how do you prove that setup skill? It's only done through a portfolio. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about how to build a powerful portfolio for yourself. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are a digital freelancer, if you are in digital marketing, it is one of the easiest things to do. And other fields can be like, if you are into coding, if you are into development of apps or website or anything, you can actually develop real apps and real websites to show as your portfolio. This is what separates you from the herd. This is what separates you from the rest of the applicants in any job platform. Right? Your project is your experience, because that is what we say in Hindi, right? Kaam bolta hai. The work speaks for itself. So what you need to do to build a powerful portfolio? You need a digital asset, especially if you are into digital marketing. Since we are covering this particular tutorial only for digital marketers, if you are into digital marketing, this is what you need. You need a digital asset. And the best asset a digital marketer can build is a website. You can also have an Instagram profile. You can also have a YouTube channel. This is my digital asset, right? My Instagram channel is my digital asset. But more than that, my own website, that is my ultimate digital asset. Using that website, I can generate leads. Using that website, I can build my email list. I can literally show that website to my potential clients and show them that this is the amount of leads I have generated. This is the amount of sales I have done, right? Every business wants leads and every business wants sales. So as long as you are giving them leads and sales, or as long as you are giving them a proof that you can generate leads and sales, you are at pretty good hands. So that is what I wanted to share. Build a digital asset. And building a digital asset is not very difficult. All you need is to set up a website. Once you have set up a website, start blogging on it. Whatever your market is, remember we talked about the niche, start blogging around it. For example, let's say you love email marketing and you would love to do email marketing for, let's say, e-commerce businesses. So start talking about email marketing for e-commerce businesses. Start building case studies. Build an achievement for yourself out of this portfolio. So just having a portfolio or having a project may not be enough in some cases. In most cases, you need to build a small achievement. For example, last month I did 2 lakhs in revenue for my e-commerce store. So that is good. Like, this is pretty good. As the e-commerce store owner, I have done pretty good profits. Now I can show that result to a potential e-commerce client and tell them that, hey, I have done this for my own store. If you need help, I can also do the same for your store. Right? So basically you're giving them a proof of concept that whatever you do works. So that solidifies the trust. Another thing that you can add to your portfolio is customer testimonials. If you have good customer reviews, your future customers will definitely read them. So ask all your past clients to give you a review. If you want reviews, then go and work for somebody for free. So once you do that, what they will do is they will give you a review. It can be a video testimonial, it can be a written testimonial. You can collect all those testimonials and showcase them in your website. Now this becomes a powerful, strong portfolio. You have experience on your own asset. You have your own digital platform profiles like Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn or whatever. That becomes a proof of concept. On top of it, you have customer testimonials, which is like the ultimate level of social proof that you will have. Now, what if you don't have enough money to have your own project? Go ahead and work for somebody for free. Give them a result. Use their assets, use their money to give them results. Do not ask them for money for your first project. That first project will definitely bring you results. In fact, a couple of days back in Instagram, a freelancer contacted me and he said he did not have any money to build a project. What should he do? So I offered him a position. Like, I asked him, you write 10 articles for my blog. He was into content writing. I asked him to write 10 articles for my blog. So this is my method of helping the newbies out, so that they build their portfolio and they can showcase this particular thing as an asset, so as a quality of work. So if you want to develop some work experience and you don't have money to like literally build a website, or if it costs money to do research or here and there stuff, you can always approach me on my Instagram. I can definitely offer you a position at my blog where you can write some content and build some backlinks and showcase that as a proof of your work, and you can use that particular work experience for your own job hunt, or you can use them for landing better clients. All right. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. In the next video, we'll be talking about how you can generate leads for your own job or your freelancing business. So look forward to it tomorrow. Till then, thank you very much. Tata, bye bye. And do join my private club. The link is in the description of this video. Click on it. It's a private Facebook group only open to certain people. And once you log in, you can join in, we can hang out every single day. I'll go live and I'll publish such videos in them, and it will be exclusive to you. In my future videos, I'll be talking to different entrepreneurs. I have built a list of 30 to 40 entrepreneurs. I'll be talking to them, interviewing them on my channel, and you can learn what they have done in their own lives. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.